Thank God it's Friday. Been checking on my watch all week. Summer's coming my way. Yeah, this job puts my soul to sleep. And I can't wait to stand in the ocean, sand between my toes. My girl cuddled up close now. So call up all the fam, let them know we heading for the coast. Jump in, it's time to roll now.